Welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Today I'm going to show you how to remove an interior door handle that has no visible screws. So what you want to look for is a hole right here on this cover here. And this door came with a key like this, or just a tool that you stick in this hole here and you push on a tab that's under there, and this inside of your door handle will come off. But let's say you don't have that tool, so all you have to do is get something that fits in here. So what I'm using is an Allen key. So you can put this right in here, push that tab, and there you go, your door handle comes off. So now you're going to grab a small screwdriver, and right here you'll see a spot that you can just stick that screwdriver in there and just pry this off. Simple as that. All right guys, now you'll see two screws here. So we're going to back those screws out and the whole door handle and the latch should come out. So that's one screw out. We'll get the other screw and hold the other side of the door handle so it doesn't fall out on the floor. Just grab it like that. Grab the other side of your door handle, and there you have your whole door handle. Now we just got to slide the latch out. So we'll just back these two screws out. And we can remove this plate and remove the whole latch assembly. There we go. Now for instructional purposes only, I'm going to install this old outdated doorknob, but this is what you're probably going to want to put on for your bathroom door. So what it has here is it has this hole here. It's a safety hole, so if somebody gets locked in the bathroom, they can just put like a nail or a pin in here and push the button that's inside and it'll unlock the door. So you're going to want to put this on the outside of the door. But first we're going to put our latch in like this, and we're going to drive our screws in there. Now remember, this is just for instructional purposes only. I'm not installing this old outdated doorknob. There we go. So remember, the part with the hole goes on the outside of the door, and this part here goes on the inside of the door. And it also has the holes for the screws to hold all your doorknob together. So we're going to slide that in here. Now we're going to take the doorknob with the safety hole in there. We're going to put it in here. There. Now all we do is put the two screws in. And of course we're going to hand start these because we don't want to cross thread these bolts. So we got both bolts in now, and now we're just going to snug them up. And there we have it. Our door handle is now assembled, and we have a door handle that has screws. Now be sure to watch this video next because I'm going to show you how to install a towel ring on your interior hollow door so it'll never come off. I'm going to share a really good hack with you.